Let me take you back to where this started. When my daughter was born, my wife and I split the nights in shifts. That way, we could both get some sleep. Not a lot, but some. I would take the first shift, stay up until 2 am, sometimes 4 am. My daughter would be sleeping in the bed next to me, and I would be sitting here at the desk coding. Honestly, it felt amazing. I was building this AI directory. You can check it at balan.ai if you want. The admin dashboard, the search interface, this chat feature where you can ask AI to find any tool on the site. I was just vibe coding, learning as I went. Now look, I'm a full stack developer, so I have done some projects from zero to production before. But this was different. I was practicing my skills, trying new things, no pressure from the work or from the clients. It was not about the money yet, it was about creating something, watching the design come together, learning how to integrate AI in the new ways, taking something from zero to actually online. 9 months like this, basically part-time, regular job during the day, and new dad at the night. I was loving it. I was learning so much. Then came the part I hate, selling it. I started posting on X and Threads 3 times a day, every single day for about 2 months. I paid for X Premium. I was replying to everyone, hunting for any post where I could mention the directory, just trying to get engagement, trying to get anyone to look at it. I even paid someone to handle the social media stuff, bought backlinks, all the things that you're supposed to do, right? And then I realized something. There are like 200 AI directory out there, or probably more. Now I think that my user experience is way better than most of them. The design is clean, the search works better, but here is the thing. That did not matter at all. I thought that it's gonna be simple, like getting traffic, AI app owners are gonna pay me for listing their apps, and done. Now the real problem, getting the traffic in the first place, getting those first users to actually care. And the moment it stopped being about building and started being about selling, I just lost all my motivation. I can code for months, no problem, I enjoy it. But marketing, I will find every excuse not to do it. Here is where I need to be honest with myself. Maybe you do this too. I'm the type who buys all the gear before starting, invest in the setup first, figure out the work later. That is how you spend money and build nothing that actually works. I can sit here and code for 9 months straight, building features, fix bugs, improve the UI. But the second I need to sell something, market it, yeah, I procrastinate. Every time. There is this wall in my brain between building the thing and getting people to use it, and I just stop at that wall. Weird part is that this is not my first project. A few years back, I built an anime directory, had like 500 people on Discord, over 80,000 followers on Facebook, but that was different. I built it for fun, because I love anime. I watched over 400 of them, read just as many manga. I was just part of the community. I had a problem I was solving. I was not trying to make money, just building something for people like me. With balan.ai, I built it to make money, not because I had a problem. I'm not sitting around wishing that there was another AI directory. There are like 200 of them. I did not need this. And people can tell, when you are building to make money versus when you actually care about the problem. So what did 9 months get me? As I said, basically no money, but beside that I learned a lot, especially the fact that everyone keeps saying that you should focus more on marketing than the code. And now I actually understand why. I practiced integrating AI in the new ways, refining my process for taking projects live, learning about SEO and marketing tactics. Even if I'm terrible at it, I can build and ship a full project, start to finish, and this is something. But I get it now why most side projects fail. And it's not about the code. The code is usually fine. It's everything that comes after the code. The site is still up and still alive right now. Gets a few viewers here and there, but still makes zero money. So here is where I am at. Should I pivot this thing? Try something different? Actually commit to the marketing? Or just let it die? A part of me cannot let it go, like 9 months of work, That is a lot of nights coding while my daughter was sleeping. But part of me knows I cannot avoid the real question. What should I actually build next? Maybe the lesson is this. Build what you actually need, not what you think will sell. Build for a problem you have, for a community you are part of, not just because you saw a gap in the market. Yeah, anyway, if you have built something nobody wanted, just drop a comment. I'm curious how many of us are out there dealing with the same problem. Till next time, stay safe.